Okay, y'all, so let's get into this. Those are my candy. It's my candy apple and my grapes. This is my candy boiling, trying to get it to 300. This is my grapes and my candy apple that I'm going to dip in this when it reaches 300. That is me dipping my apples, and they came out pretty good. I like the way it turned out. But you see that candy right there in front of me? That candy got so hard I couldn't even use it. And those pineapples, oh my goodness, those pineapples were so weak. They came out a hot mess. But my grapes, I was so satisfied with my grapes, even though I couldn't get that candy on it. But they came out really good. All in all, it's a learning process. I'm going to keep trying. I'm not going to give up. And that is the result. Pineapples, a hot-ass mess. Those candy apples came out good, and they were really good. So we're going to keep learning together, keep growing together. And y'all can subscribe to my page, and you can keep following me to see my growth.